Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change date and time on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel confused because the time and the date on your cell phone is not matched as the time and date in your area, don't need to be worried guys, because you can change your time and date on your cell phone. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to the settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to about additional settings, and then after that now you can go to date and time. And to change date and time, you have to turn off automatically set date and time, and now you can change the date and time that match to your area, and the date and time on your cell phone will change immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.